Osteospermum Tresco Purple. Hardy perennial, 8 out of 10. Bees love the flowers, 10 out of 10. They do like a little bit of sun on their face, 8 out of 10. Deadhead these little beauties to encourage more flowers, 10 out of 10. Pests and diseases, there aren't many, 9 out of 10. A Dartana score, 45 out of 50. Osteospermum Sun and Sunrise, a lovely hardy perennial, 10 out of 10. Loved by the winged friends, 9 out of 10. It does like it's sunny to show it off best, 9 out of 10. Deadhead these little beauties when they're spent to encourage new flowers, 8 out of 10. It's pretty robust, 9 out of 10. Dartana plant score, 45 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Osteospermum in the pink. Half hardy perennial, 8 out of 10. It does like the sun for these beauties, 10 out of 10. Looks great in the border or in a pot, 10 out of 10. Deadhead them to encourage more growth, 9 out of 10. Just got to watch out for the cold on these, 8 out of 10. Dartana plant score, 45 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Osteospermum Snow Pixie, lovely plant, half hardy perennial, 9 out of 10. The bees do love them, 10 out of 10. Does love the sun, 10 out of 10. Deadhead when the flowers come to encourage more growth, 10 out of 10. Just doesn't like the cold. Give it a 9 out of 10 though. Dartana plant score, 49 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Osteospermum Lady Leitrim, fantastic hardy perennial, 10 out of 10. The bees do love them for all the flowers, 10 out of 10. Does like a sunny spot though, 10 out of 10. Deadhead regularly, keep the flowers going and going, 10 out of 10. Bit of mulch around the roots to take it over winter should do it fine, 10 out of 10. It's pretty resilient to most things, to be honest, 10 out of 10. Dartana plant score, 50 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Osteospermum Summer Smile White. It's half hardy but still perennial, 8 out of 10. Bees love these flowers, 10 out of 10. It does like sun. Look at the blue sky, it's loving it, 9 out of 10. Trim back the flowers, you get a long season, months and months and months of flowers, 10 out of 10. It is great, it is robust, but it doesn't like the cold. Give it a 9 out of 10. Dartana plant score, 46 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I am Plantalicious. The magnificent Osteospermum Jucundum compactum. Oh, look at that beauty. It's a half hardy perennial, 9 out of 10. As with all osteos, the bees and flying creatures love them, 10 out of 10. Loves the sun, 10 out of 10. Trim back the flowers, you get months of these, all through, maybe into October, 10 out of 10. It is robust and looks after itself, but doesn't like the cold so much, 9 out of 10. Dartana plant score, 48 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I am Plantalicious.